Hey, buddy. Yeah? Is that what you have to say about it? Really? Hey! Do you like your outfit? From Uncle Bill and Aunt Frances, huh? Do you like that outfit? I love it. I think you look so cute. Kick those legs. Kick those legs. Come on, I want to see it. Kick, kick, kick. Oh? What are we going to do today? Do you want to hang out with Andrea and Jessica? Huh? What do you think? There Dad goes, listening to that Owl City again. Ick. Ick. Mom doesn't like that group. Hi. Like those noises. Oh. Did you get a long night of sleep last night? Yeah, you went to bed at 8 o'clock and you slept until 4. Yes, that's the longest night of sleep you've ever had. Mommy was very happy. Oh, but it also means you might be sleeping in your own room pretty soon. Yeah. Kick those legs. Come on, let's see you move. What do you think? Oh, those socks. They don't want to stay on, do they? Look at those cute little feet. Oh, they're so cute. Is that your hand? Who knew you had them, huh? Who knew? There we go. Oh, gotta look at it again just to make sure. Hi. Yeah. Ah. Still loving this chair. Yes, we are. Especially when we can see the fan going. Oh. Oh. Okay, say bye-bye. Unless you want to talk some more. What do you think? Huh? What do you think, mister? Booga 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 booga. Hey you. Booga 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 booga. Yeah. Yeah. Big smiles. Come on, one more big smile for everybody before you go. Huh? One more big smile. Did she? Yeah. Oh. Nice shadows on there, huh? Okay, bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye.